Come test drive the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, splash guards. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.